WhatsApp tips and tricks. New WhatsApp updates comes up. Edit chats, send live videos, edit voices and listen to them before sending and more. Let's start with first update. One click and you can record your voice. And scroll up to lock the record and you can listen to your voice also.
Hello and welcome again to Androidia.
Like this and you can record more on the same voice you record. Yeah, and you can delete it and you can send it. And you can also record more on the same record or audio. I'm going to delete it. Let me show you something more interesting. Can you see this icon? Yeah, this icon. Once you click on it, it will convert to video, like this, video icon. Once you hold on this icon, it will start recording and sending videos live. You can shoot live using your front camera or back camera, as I'm doing. And once you finished, you can leave the icon like this and it will start sending to your contacts or to your contact that you'd like to send videos live, and ta-da, it will show up like this. What are you waiting? Just go and try this new update of WhatsApp. An update of WhatsApp. Lock your WhatsApp by your fingerprint. Simply just go to your WhatsApp and then settings, from settings privacy, this option, let me show you. And once you in, just go scroll down till you find this option. Let me show you, fingerprint lock. You should to find this option. So once you in, you have to unlock or enable this icon, but it shows you there is an error. Set up fingerprint. To use this feature, you'll need to set up your fingerprint on your device first. So you should go to your settings, your phone settings first. How? Let me show you. From settings, the gear icon, and from search, just simply type fingerprint, as I'm doing. So this is fingerprint. You will find this result. Go ahead and fingerprints. Set up your fingerprints first. Once you've finished, continue, and it will ask you for confirmation. And some of the phone have fingerprints on the back of the phone, and some of them in the front of the phone. I have to confirm, so I added the fingerprints. You can add multiple fingerprints of yours, your friends, just in case. Then go back to your WhatsApp and again from these three dots, click on it and go to settings. From settings, go again to privacy. From privacy, you just go to fingerprints and enable this and confirm your finger and choose immediately. Why though? Because once you go out from your WhatsApp, it will immediately lock it. Let me show you how. Just leave your WhatsApp, as I'm doing, and then again sign into your WhatsApp. It will show you like this, locked, and ask you for your fingerprint to sign in. Third update of WhatsApp. Lock WhatsApp chats. First of all, just go to settings first, and then from privacy go to fingerprints, as we did before in last update, and go unlock or disable the WhatsApp fingerprint, and then choose your chat, this chat, and click on the chat. Go scroll down here in this option, chat lock, click on it. Here, enable this icon. It will ask you for fingerprint. Go set your fingerprint and ask you confirmation. Just confirm, and then your chat is locked. Now, how can I find it? Just go to your contacts and find your chat like this, and then you can find your chat and unlock it. But I'm going to unlock it verify your fingerprint, and no locked chat in my contacts. Try this update and this feature. Fourth update of WhatsApp: edit send chat. So if you have typing mistakes or you just send something you regret why you just send it, now you can edit it easily. I'm going to just type hello in wrong typing, and then don't go to delete or from everyone or delete it from you like this, like you used to. You can edit your message after sending. So just click on the message, and then from 3 dots click on it, go ahead, edit, and now you can edit your text as you want or your message and add emojis and save it, and it will show like this. And here is the 5th update of WhatsApp: send links of calls to join your group calls, even if it's video or audio. Just go to your WhatsApp, then go to calls, create call link, click on this, and then you will end up on this area. Just click on call type if you want video calls link or voice call links, and just copy that link and send it to multiple friends and make them join to your voice call or video call link that you'd like to. Share the link on any platform. Nah, we didn't finish. 6th update: use WhatsApp as notepad. The new feature of WhatsApp is just about chatting yourself on your own device, on your own chat, on your own phone number also. So you can use this feature as notepad to remember yourself about tasks you shouldn't forget, for example, or I'm typing on Wednesday I have, for example, an appointment. So this reminder or this task, it is so useful, especially when you're using WhatsApp on daily basis. So it is a private chat. You can keep it to yourself and make it a reminder for yourself on WhatsApp. Now here's the 7th update of WhatsApp: save your money by saving your data. How? Let me show you. If you want to save your data to use less data on your WhatsApp, just go to your settings like this, and then click on this option, storage and data. Let me show you here. Then from here, while using mobile data, click on this option and uncheck all of the boxes like this, and uncheck all of the boxes so it will not use a lot of data from your WhatsApp. And also enable this icon, so this icon will use less data on your calls, and this is a good feature also. Last update of WhatsApp, 8th update: use same WhatsApp number in multiple devices. This is my WhatsApp and this is new device, and install WhatsApp, and then don't add any phone number. Just click on the first option and scan for your code with your another phone. Now it is linked with your new phone, and now you can use the same WhatsApp number in multiple devices. This was WhatsApp updates. Don't forget to tell us which update you liked most.